Okay, here's a video of, I think I have a bad alternator, so I'll show you what it's doing. I'm gonna start my 2017 Z06 up. There we go. See, now it goes off. I don't know.